Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about carrot juice and diabetes. Carrot juice may provide a variety of health advantages. Carrot contains antioxidants which may explain their possible role in cancer prevention. While packing numerous nutrients, 1 cup 240 milliliters contains calories 96, proteins 2 grams, fat less than 1 gram, carbs 22 grams, sugar 9 grams, fiber 2 grams, vitamin A as provitamin A 255 of the daily value, vitamin C 23 of the daily value, vitamin K 31 of the daily value, potassium 15 of the daily value. Carrot juice also provides the carotenoid pigments lutein and zeaxanthin, which acts as antioxidants in your body. Antioxidants fights unstable molecules called free radicals. The main carotenoids in carrot juice is a beta carotene, which is responsible for carrot's orange color your body convert into the antioxidant vitamin A. Not only is vitamin B6 necessary for optimal immune response, but deficiency in it is also linked to weakened immunity. In fact, one study found that inadequate dietary intake of vitamin B6 prohibited the growth of immune cells called lymphocytes. Carrot juice helps those suffering from diabetes. It may boost heart health, and carrot juices may help reduces risk factor of the heart diseases. Carrot juice is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays an important role in proper blood pressure regulation. It may protect your liver. The carotenoids in carrot juice are thought to promote liver health. Several studies indicate that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidants effect of carotenoids protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases. Another study found that the purple carrot juice boosts blood sugar control due to the anti-inflammatory effect of its anthocyanin pigments. Carrot juice has a similar effect. Even so, carrot juice has a low glycemic index, a measure of how much a certain food increases blood sugar levels. Consuming low glycemic foods and beverages may help improve blood sugar management in people with diabetes. Thus, carrot juice may be a good replacement for high GI fruits juices. However, it's important to keep portion sizes in check as too much may spike blood sugar levels. Carrot juice precautions. While carrot juice is perfectly safe for most people, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Some carrot juices, especially freshly prepared variant, may not have been pasteurized to kill harmful bacteria. Pregnant women, older adults, younger children, and those with compromised immune system should avoid unpasteurized carrot juice. Additionally, drinking very large amount of carrot juice may lead to carrot anemia, a condition that turns your skin yellow-orange as a result of high blood levels of beta carotene. While it is not harmful, it can be alarming temporarily. Removing sources of beta carotene from your diet typically resolves the issue. Finally, carrot juice has a less fiber than whole carrots and contains natural sugars. Since the lower fiber content means that it is sugars are absorbed more quickly, drinking too much may spike your blood sugar levels. While carrot juice is low GI, it does not increase your blood sugars as much as the other juices. You should still be careful to moderate your intake if you have diabetes, especially if you drink it on its own. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please follow and subscribe our channel.